Greetings with peace, viewers. Here's another best healthy topic that definitely helps you on your daily routine. Oatmeal is a very popular breakfast food that consists of oats and a liquid, such as water, cow's milk, or plant-based milk. Instant oats are the most highly processed variety. It is often referred to as porridge. But did you know that it can also improve your health? Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are 9 health benefits of eating oats and oatmeal. Number 1. Helps control weight. A compound in oatmeal known as beta-glucan, which may increase your feeling of fullness. It is rich in soluble fiber that helps increase your feeling of fullness. This helps prevent overeating, unnecessary snacking, and lowers your daily calorie intake, causing you to lose weight. Number 2. Oats can improve blood sugar control. Oatmeal contains a soluble fiber called beta-glucan. It also helps improve insulin response and reduce blood sugar too. People with type 2 diabetes find that incorporating oatmeal into their diet helps them manage their blood sugar levels. Number 3. Rich in antioxidants. Oatmeal is loaded with antioxidants. Both old and newer research has found avenanthramides. It may help lower blood pressure levels by increasing the production of nitric oxide. This gas molecule helps dilate blood vessels and leads to better blood flow. Number 4. Enhances immune response to disease. The beta-glucan in oatmeal forms a gel-like substance when it mixes with water. This solution coats the stomach and digestive tract. The coating feeds good bacteria in the gut. Number 5. Reduces cholesterol. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally. One major risk factor is high blood cholesterol. The beta-glucan fiber in oats effectively reduces both total and LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber helps your intestinal tract trap substances associated with blood cholesterol. People with high blood cholesterol who eat just 3 grams of soluble fiber per day can reduce their total cholesterol by 8% to 23%. Number 6. Lowers risk of colon cancer. Oats have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol, but they also contain compounds that may help prevent cancer. They keep your stools moving, and along the way, they may grab onto cancer-causing compounds in your colon. Number 7. Promotes better sleep. Yes, oatmeal can help you have a solid night's sleep. Melatonin and tryptophan, a sleep hormone that regulates your body's sleep-wake cycle. Oatmeal also contains magnesium and calcium, which have been shown to promote good quality sleep. A small bowl of oats an hour before bed could be your key to better sleep. Number 8. Decrease the risk of childhood asthma. Asthma is a common condition that often develops during childhood. Specific foods can be a risk factor for developing asthma. Early introduction of oats may actually protect children from developing asthma. Oats contain antioxidants that boost health and reduce the risk of chronic disease. Number 9. Help relieve constipation. Fiber is a key component in a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to stools, which prevent constipation and aid regularity. Constipation is a common gastrointestinal problem. The fiber in oatmeal can help keep waste in the gastrointestinal tract moving. Oats are incredibly good for you. Oats are nutritious food packed with important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're higher in fiber and protein compared to other grains. It is best to choose varieties of oatmeal that are less processed and to limit added sugars. People with wheat allergy or other digestive conditions may wish to speak to a doctor or dietitian before introducing oatmeal to their diet. They should also read ingredient lists carefully and check packaging and labels. Have a fiber-rich day. Enjoy watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.